I have been getting a lot of questions about the smoothie that I posted on my Instagram not too long ago, so I decided to do a tutorial for you. So I use Greek yogurt as my fat base, and I use it like a pseudo liquid. And then I also use an overripe banana. I don't like eating overripe bananas, but I love them in my smoothies. Some blueberries, some mango chunks, and some dragon fruit, which is really good for my digestive system and, to get you moving. That's the temper tool, and the temper tool came with the blender. I'm using a Vitamix blender, and as you can see here, it helps blend everything out really nice and smooth. So at this point, I'm about to give you some aesthetics, some pseudo aesthetics. Here are some blueberries, and I added some coconut strips on there. You can add any fresh fruit as a topping to kind of add some more nutrients to it. But this is very, very delicious, nutritious, and also filling. So with this type of smoothie bowl or smoothie, I can go for about 4 or 5 hours before I feel hungry again. Like and follow for more recipes, and don't forget to save this for later.